Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Roblox voice chat tutorial. In today's video, we'll give you a quick tutorial on how to enable Roblox voice chat. First thing you need to do is go to more, and after clicking more, go right here to settings. Then once you're here, click on account info. After clicking on account info, just wait for it. There you go. So you first need to do is verify your pending verification right here. Click on verify. And once you have done that, your verification email has been sent. So why we need to verify it? So the game will know that we are a real person and we are not just making up an account so we can just troll people, and if we get banned, it's okay. So here we are verifying our account. There you go. I click the verification on my phone. Wait for it. There you go. Your email has been verified. Enjoy your free hat. You see right there. There you go. Then, so let's now check again our account info. There you go. As you can see, we are now verified. Now, after that, we need to verify our age. Yeah, as you can see, Jan 29, 2004. We need to verify it, but there's something a little bit wrong. It should be 30. There you go. 30. Continue. Okay, so enter the code we sent you via email. We're gonna enter the code. So the code is 863029 and click on verify. There you go. Now there you go. Save successfully. There you go. Then click on verify my age. You will be completing an ID verification process operated by our third-party service provider. You also consent to collection, use, and sharing of your biometric data as described in Roblox biometric privacy notice. So just click on that, verify my age. There we go. As you can see, verify your age to get the most out of Roblox. So you need to scan this with your camera phone. So let's go scan it. We're gonna scan it. I'm gonna use my camera phone. There you go. Now I'm gonna switch to my phone so you can see. Hey guys, I'm in my phone right now, so let's now begin our verification. So first thing you need to verify your ID. There we go. Click on that. Then what country is your ID government? Philippines. Select. Then let's choose our passport. So now guys, I'll just be cutting this part and I'll just be verifying my account. Okay. There you go guys. After you verify it, it will make sure that you are you. So we'll get this started. So I'm just gonna pause it again. And there you go. Now it's done. Congratulations, you are done. Thanks for verifying your identity. And there you go. After all of that, you are now allowed to use your voice chat. Just go to more. Then after going to more, click on settings. Then after clicking on settings, click on privacy and content maturity. And once you're here, it's loading. Click on communications. Then click on voice chat. Then you may click on enable microphone. There you go. Enable. There you go. And there you go. That's the full tutorial of it. And a quick tip for you guys. Don't say anything bad or something that might ruin your record in Roblox. Because as you can see right here, the red dot indicates that Roblox is recording your audio. So the Roblox is recording your audio. So be more mindful when saying something in using your voice chat. So there. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.